Do you want to make money every time you check your phone screen? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money from simply unlocking or locking your phone screen. Hello, welcome to Online Money. How much time for the day do you check your time? How many times for the day do you open your phone for no reason whatsoever? Well, I'm going to show you how to make money from just doing that. Alright? And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe with the notification bell on while we grow to millions. And now, let's jump into the video. The first application I would like you to come to, I'm going to show you 4 apps that you can make money from with simply opening your phone screen or checking your time. All right. So the first one I want you to come to is called SlideJoy. So when you come to SlideJoy pays you for just simply unlocking your phone. All right. So you come to SlideJoy, you can search on Google. As you can see here, the SlideJoy app will give you $10 a month to unlock your phone. All right, so let's click there to see what's going on. As you can see here, this is 100% legitimate. They are also teaching you other methods of how you can make money. All right, so this app is a wonderful app and I would encourage anyone to use it. All right, so it's very simple and easy. All right, so all you will do, you will go to Google Play Store and you will download SlideJoy, and just like that you will start to earn points and the points will basically turn into money. All right, so this is one of the applications and it's very simple and easy. If you want to know more about it before downloading, please feel free to check more tutorials. All right, but in this video I'm giving you 4 applications which you can make money from just simply unlocking or looking at your time. All right, so this is the next one. It's called Sleep Money. All right, so I like the name Sleep Money. It sounds really nice. So Sleep Money, it's basically the same thing. You download the application and just by simply unlocking your phone or looking at the time, you will earn money. So basically what happens when you lock your phone, they're gonna show ads. Some of the ads you can choose what you want to pop up on your phone. All right, so some of these apps you can donate the money to charity. Some of them you can get gift cards. Some of them you can be receiving PayPal money. All right, or you can get gift cards. As I said, the coolest thing I see so far, most of these applications you can donate the money, and that's good because you know this won't make you rich, but it will earn you an extra $30 to $100 a month if you combine all these applications. All right, so this is the next one. As I said, it's called Sleep Money, and basically this is it. You come on their website and you can see what they have offering, and whenever you download SlideJoy or Sleep Money, whenever you're going into your phone, they're gonna show you basically ads or they're gonna show you news. You can engage them if you choose and you don't have to. So you can slide up, which will earn you money. Slide sideways, or if you want to go straight to your phone, you slide right. If you want to engage some of the apps, you can slide left. You can also slide up, and some of these apps, they even give you choices. So when you slide, if you slide up, for instance, I'm just giving a raw figure here. If you slide up, you can make $10, for instance. If you slide to the left, you can make $20. If you slide to the right, you can make $1. All right, remember those figures are not correct. I'm just saying something here. All right, so this is the next application. It's called Screen Lift. All right, as we go here, you can see that they 3.8 stars, and that's good so far because they are a new application and they're just coming out. And as you can see, over 5,000, almost 6,000 persons is giving reviews about this app, and that's really good. All right, so this is called Screen Lift, as I said, and you can also go ahead and download this application. And what you will basically do is download it to your phone, and right away it will start working. You will start earning points, and you can redeem the points in gift card or whatsoever you want. All right, so check this out more detailedly for yourself, but this is a simple way how you can make money from doing nothing at all. All right, some persons I know ads can get you annoyed, but if you keep this on your phone and you don't pay much attention, or if it bothers you in the beginning and you continue, automatically you won't even remember that it's there. All right, so this is the third one, and for the grand finale, this is one that is called Screen Stash. All right, so you will come here, and as you can see, lock screen cash. All right, they do PayPal payouts and all sorts of different things. But as I said, you download the applications, and basically they will show ads on your phone screen, and it will be earning you money. So if you want to make money each time you check your phone, these are the apps that you join. All right, you download these apps. You can use one, you can use two. If you want to make 4 times the money, you download 4 of these applications, and there are also more. All right, so you download these applications. I understand you will have to slide away 4 different ads before you reach in your phone, but the ultimate key about it is, are you going to make because of your mind saying, hey, I don't like this, you're not gonna make money? Or do you want to make money to help yourself, your family, etc., from just sliding away some ads? It's really simple and easy. All right, and I'm encouraging you guys to try this. All right, and remember, give me a like, comment, and let me know if this interests you or it didn't. All right, and if it did, tell me which one of these apps you like the most, and if you knew that you could be paid from simply unlocking your phone screen. Thank you for watching my videos. Come again soon. As you know, we only release money making and review contents. So if you want to know how to make money online, or if you want to know about an affiliating company, this is the channel you'll come to. All right, thank you again, and we're out. And for the grand finale, this is one that is called screens. What is screen one? B. Okay, and this is the third one, and it's called screen